Yeah, okay, everyone. So today, I think you all are aware about the topic that we are going to discuss. That I have taken the topic about the work ethic. We have to discuss about work ethic and why it is important. I think you might all are aware about the work ethic. It is something that you are doing whole day or half of the day, but whatever your work ethic, I mean, the work that you are doing, the job that you are doing, the art that you're putting in your studies, in your job, or it might be just to improve yourself, right? So that is what the actual work ethic, and it varies people to people. But I think a person, there are so many people we know in our India, APJ Abdul Kalam, nowadays Elon Musk, and there are so many people are out there, right? They have a great work ethic. I mean, they are working a lot. They are putting there every single minute. Just take a simple example of Bill Gates. He is the richest man in the world, but still he is doing something just because of his work ethic. I mean, he has defined work ethic for himself, and now he's working. He's reading books. Even he's reading more than 60 books in a year, and we don't read like around 3 or 4 books. I mean, just as a normal person. So it depends person to person, but a person who have made their work ethic stronger or higher, definitely they achieved a lot in their life. But not only achieve, but also they are satisfied with that. Okay, and like in my terms, if I'm reading something, if I'm studying something, if my work ethic is high, I think it also helped me to be consistent. That is what the first important thing to get success or to achieve something that you want to achieve. Consistency. Okay, consistency. So for that, definitely we need a work ethic. uh, for me, if you will ask, definitely I love Elon Musk. The work that he's doing, he actually do every single day around 15 to 16 hours a day, around 100 hours a week, right? So I definitely love work ethic of that Elon Musk. If you have seen Philip, I think Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps, he is a swimmer. So he also worked every single day for entire 365 days, more than 12 hours of practice, not single day week off. And we know such kind of people. So what I have seen in different people, and what I can see right now, even if we have work ethic, definitely no matter how many hours we are putting, but ultimately we will get something with that result, and it makes you best, it makes you a better human, right? So the reason why we need to work ethic, just because we are a human, we are not an animal, just we have to live for food, happiness, and then just we forget everything. That's just because we have enough food to eat, we have enough amount of money to eat, so why we need to work? We need to work just because I think we think that, and we are a human, and we can use this time, we can utilize. According to me, definitely it's going to help you a lot. It helped me a lot. Somehow, if we are developing our work ethic, so it must be done by yourself. Or if you are not enough motivated, or if you are not enough aware about yourself, that how can I develop my own work ethic? So what you can do, you can watch other people. Like if Monty, you are preparing for SSB, you can go and you can watch some army people. They like there are so many videos you can see on YouTube, like about the commando videos. They had to run 100 meter, not 100, sorry, they had to run 100 kilometer, just one go, right? So such kind of videos, if you are gonna see, definitely it motivates you to work more harder and read more and more, so you can reach at that position. If I'm doing job, I can see that person who is doing in my field, right? And if you are guys doing other things, whatever you are doing, so it depends person to person, it depends on your also work, but the ultimate goal is same. Somehow we have to increase our own, we have to be a man of work ethic, right? Then only we can be the example of also other people who will learn from us, and this is how we can also help. So definitely it helps you in different ways, according to me. Now I won't take so much time. Sunil, you can put your perspective, that how we can increase our work ethic and what it means to you. Firstly, also tell what it means to you. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, yeah, all right, Dhruv. So, yeah, it itself, this word contain many things like attitude and how punctual we are, how serious we are for our project, company, or job, whatever we are doing.
Hmm.
So, yeah, it's really uh, it's really contain many things like integrity, your attitude toward the works, and how you deal with your, like if you are a leader, if you're leading a team, so how you treat your colleague and many things. So yeah, it's in simple way we can say it's a kind of attitude, so we do. So from my experience, it's really matter everywhere we go, whatever we do, and it's really determine our success, and it
Sure.
really determines that how long we will survive and will grow in a particular field, whatever we are doing, study or job or business project, whatever you are doing. So yeah, and as you mentioned, bro, we can build if we have less, I mean, knowledge and capability, and we have not that kind of attitude, then we can acquire such a skill from our ideal. They are already in that field, so we
Yeah.
can learn from their autobiography or from their interview, or we can simply follow their footprint. So yeah, we can learn through that way. But the main thing is, we also should, be punctual. Like if I'm wanna, and one thing I want to really mention, I heard one of the, he's not only motivational speaker, he also train people in the corporate and business coach. So he said that if you have like a low pay job, like if you are just doing like a 10 or 15,000 per month job,
Hmm.
and you are not feeling happy, and you feel that this is just it's just for my bread and butter, I'm just
Yeah.
doing it for my survival. But that attitude is, it not lead you to in another good paying job. That attitude is not good. And I forget the person's name. I think his name is like, right now I'm unable to recall. So he mentioned this thing, and he's a networker also. So he mentioned that whatever you are doing, you should, put your lives into it, then you will get result. For
Yeah.
example,
Sure.
if one if like you mentioned about the Vijay, he's preparing for, I don't know which exam.
Hmm.
So a student who is preparing for any examination or anything he's doing, so if, for example, if he is doing his 100%, if he's putting his all effort in that particular area, and if he is not get the mark good marks, or whatever his goal, he not get, for example, he not get job, he not get select in that particular exam, but he did his complete, he did his 100%. So what will get, he will get another opportunity. Maybe he will become a good teacher, a good tutor, because he has a great knowledge, because he spend a lot of energy, and he get a lot of knowledge. So he can turn a good teacher or good leader, or maybe he will lead a team. So that thing really matter. And if you ask from my experience, then I worked in a marketing company, I already mentioned, and I worked there as a leader of a small team. So we should, increase our another colleague. They are working under our leadership. We should increase, I mean, motivate them and tease them, and they also follow our footprint. So we should be punctual, and yeah, that's the thing. I think I'm taking much time, so over to you, Dhruv.
No, it's okay.
Later I will also mention.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, and definitely it also makes you a man of discipline, right? If you have a good work ethic, and the same learning that you have mentioned here, Sunil, definitely you can even use in your simple real life. No matter you are at home or at college or at your job, that thing that you have learned in your job or wherever you have something done, but it applies everywhere, right? Okay,
Yeah,
Monty.
Dhruv.
Yeah,
My light has gone, so sorry
Yeah,
for this.
Monty, go ahead.
yeah. So I was saying about the topic like ethics. So it is very important in our life. And although Sunil had mentioned the good points, so whichever work everyone doing in their life, the matters, and everyone have the different goal. So it's the most important thing that if you want to develop the ethics, so first of all we should be disciplined guy, and in that disciplined guy you have the certain qualities like leadership, as well as you have to build your character, and you have to think positively, and you should be consistent. These are the things by which you can improve your ethics. And I'm just giving my examples. Like, I am an NCC cadet, so I'm not talking any hypocritical thing, but in starting, when I joined my NCC classes, I was like that my father is in army. I'm not going regularly for the parades, for the drills, and for doing the rehearsal. Although in the first year, I'm not able to build my any leadership quality, and my juniors
Mhm.
were just laughing at me that your father is in army, then also you are not able to do the good drill. But I learned, like I realized for 2 months, and I think that I'm not able to do the 10 push-ups. So I realized myself. Now I improve myself, and I showed. I'm not don't want to show them, but I want to show myself, because whenever I look into the mirror, I realize that if you want to become something, and if you have a certain goal, so you should be disciplined. You should be daily disciplined, and you have a timetable, and you have to follow the schedule if you want to become a good person. And now I know that I how I improved in that NCC by NCC classes, because my goal, I know what is my goal, so I'm working on it. But if it come about the ethics part, so everyone have the different objectives, so we have to conquer them. We don't have like it is very easy to give the excuses, and yeah, we can give, sometimes we are giving the excuses, but we have to think every time before giving the, I think, common a certain excuse in every point of life. And it is very easy to give excuse whichever work we have. So we have to take every problems into an opportunity. And my exams were there in the Feb, and there were, I think, 9 exams, college as well as NCC, and 2 competition exams. Sometimes I give excuses to my parents, but what my parents tell me about that, they are the simple exams, and you don't know about anything in life yet, but you have to think wise. Like, if you're taking them as an opportunity, and if you clear one exam, I mean, if you're not able to clear a single exam, please don't mind, but you can, I mean, you should give your 100% in that
Yeah.
activity daily. You don't have to think about exams, you just giving your 100% daily, and that is a very good thing. And already, Dhruv, you had mentioned the good points about the Elon Musk. Now, that's why he's the, I think, at topmost richest person in the world nowadays.
Yeah.
And about the discipline, I have already tell. And so, one more point I want to add: if you want to, I think, develop the ethics, there are the small gratifications we have and small objectives that we want to conquer. Like, be about if you want to play PUBG, as well as if you want to talk to our girlfriends, as well if we want to make crack jokes and roam with our friends. So these are the common things that we want to do, and these are the simple objectives. So instead of them, we can do a certain kind of like learn the new activity, read a different book, because that things will help to improve and achieve the main goal that we have in the future. And these small things will give us a small gratification for the 1 or 2 days, but the we have to, I mean, fight for a big target instead of these small things. Although we can do these things on the weekend basis, but daily we have to learn new things, and we have to work for a future, because we should be disciplined if we want to, I think, want to be a good person. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's also.
Yeah. Okay. Ajo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In my opinion, like if you talk about the work ethic, I think it is really important. And if you talk about what is work ethic, so in my point of view, it is basically a proper discipline that you create in your work environment or in your surroundings. Because
Yeah.
and work ethic is totally a very important thing, because some people had earned a lot of money, but if they don't have the discipline, then there is a large chance that they lost that, that they had earned. So I think
Yeah.
work ethic is very, very important. And in fact, I had seen
And
a
we are,
live
yes,
example
Kajol,
of.
Kajol, just
Yeah.
here, just one thing I want to add here. I think she made a very, very good point that definitely if we don't know how to make money, how to earn money, no matter, like so many people, they used to say that, and they also telling, I mean, all the day that if someone has a lot of money, like they are billionaire, millionaire, and trillion money they have, one who is the richest man in the world. So why he's not giving his all the money to the poor people? And this is the answer. This is the answer. Even if he will give a lakh rupees to everyone, but they don't know how to use that money or how to make money, they will lose all that money. That's why instead of giving money to the all the people, we have to teach them, or they have to learn, or we have to learn that how to make money instead of that,
Mm.
getting the
In
money from
fact,
their people.
yeah, right.
Yeah.
In fact, I had also seen that. Actually, I had worked somewhere, so I had seen that. There was a people who earned a lot of money, but
Mhm.
due to lack of work ethic, they just lost all their teammates. So I think that is really important that we must have a work ethic. We must have a proper discipline about the work. We must have a good word stock while using. While talking with anyone, because that is really important. And without that professionalism or without that work ethic, you just lost yourself. You just you may earn money, but you don't get a respect. You don't earn uh, a good people. So I think that is really important. Sometimes like if you talk about the work ethic, so you see ethics involves a lots of things like loyalty, like discipline, like hard work. So there's a collection of number of things that really important.
Mhm.
If you talk about that, sometimes if you talk about the terrorist or anyone, I think if somebody is like selling drugs, so I think there must be some ethic for the selling of drugs too. So I think that is really important. So in everywhere, in every field, there must be some ethics. And on that ethics, your loyalty also matters, your discipline, your hard work is also matters. And if you are in any relationship, in everywhere, I think it is really matters. And the most important thing that we can make work ethic, like we can change our habits. If we first of all, we have to aware about what we are doing. Like we have to aware about activities, our activities. If we are doing something wrong, so we have to correct it. That is
Yeah.
really important. That will help us to improve our work ethic, that will improve our habits. So if you improve your habits, then automatically you will improve your work ethics too. And that will definitely help you in future, in earning money, or in your in to lead a good and healthy life. So I think, yeah, that's my point.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So many points and so many good points you have mentioned. Siddharth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, mm, every people have said about the ethic work, and the one things I notice about that, the people's one thing, that the principle which you made to the grow up in your lives, to work anywhere where you're doing work. Yeah, so yeah, we need to make the principles. And now one thing I would say that, okay, that you are the making the principle, but how you are going to follow them or not. For example, I always think that I will get up at 3 o'clock in the morning time because my exam is coming. But my excuse is coming that, oh, now is cold days. I will learn sometime after. So it means you have to focus on your plans, your principle, and which principle, if you are making by the principle, you have grow up. And sometimes you forget your principle, so automatically we go do down. To any work, you need to be the always. What I would say. Uh, Dhruva, give me the some other one. If I will get more fun, then I will speak.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Neha.
So, hello everyone. Hope so. All are you fine?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah. You are audible.
Okay. So today's topic is work ethic. So first of all, a strong work ethics is very important to being a successful in your career as well as in your personal life. And I think it's very important in everywhere. Where are you and where you want to be go? So work ethics means like there is a lots of morals, uh, including morals, and there is morals, discipline, and integrity, as lots of people are said over there, and lots of things is mentioned uh, in it. Also, for the work ethics, you should be not only you should not only be focus as on your work. It's also guide towards your career, and this is much important in your life for being successful. And sorry,
Yeah, okay.
I'm
Just Neha, I think you are also doing so many things. Just mention all those things. How did you manage to do all those things? Definitely, you need more and more hours to put like your study, your work, your job, everything, right? And you still want to do something more. It is everything
okay. Actually, na,
work.
about this topic, I'm not clear, so I don't have much points to explain over here. But yeah, something is related with this also. So this is what if you want to be successful in your life, yeah, if you want to do anything with you and want to achieve something big, so you have to first of all discipline, and discipline is connected with the just you said the work ethics. And work
Mhm.
ethics is like connected with your physical as well as your emotional, and as well as in your environment, like when you are going to office and your colleagues, talking with your colleagues, friends, so everywhere work ethics is connected with the many more things, like integrity, as all said. And what the importance of work ethics in your life. It's for successful as well as like when we are managing our life with the good good things, like manage wake up early and start our days with the good diet, and as well as, so it will like you can feel very motivate. And when you feel positive and motivate, so you can do your work with a positive mind. And so obviously it will help in your career and do good thing.
Yeah,
And yeah, so
yeah, okay.
thank you.
Okay, all right, definitely it has. It can make you everything, right? It can be added in your discipline, everything. And the Siddharth, he wanted to say something at that moment. So the point that he made, definitely we make some rules, some regulations, and so many things that we plan basically, right? But we don't act on that. So here we are talking about that. This is the thing that we have to develop. Not only we have to make a plan, but also we have to act on that. And by consistently, like we are acting on that without any issue. We are doing it for longer time, and this is what the actual work ethic. The work ethic,
I
it has
think
nothing to do with your plan. It has to do with your act on that.
I
Yeah.
think Dhruv, what happens? I think Dhruv, what happens that sometimes we are unaware about ourselves. So I
Yeah.
think first of all we have to clarify ourselves that what we are lacking actually.
Hmm.
Because if you don't have the clarity, then you can't work on it. So first of all, clarity is important, that you have to clear the points that what you are lacking. And after that, not we can't just we can't just expect ourselves that we can work on over the all the points continuously, or uh, like uh, like gradually. So I think
Hmm.
for that we must have some clarity, we must have some points that where we are lacking, and after that we will work one by one. That is really important. And we must have aware about ourselves, our activities, that will help us to improve our improve our work ethic, or improve our the part of the work ethic. If we talk about, we are just sometimes we are just undisciplined,
Yeah, okay. Okay, so Sajul, I think she has mentioned his point, and I think we all people have done now. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, do can I mention
Yeah,
little more things?
you can go ahead.
Okay, so we are talking here about the ethics. So let me make a point. Let me put here a metaphorical example of ethics, how it really matter at workplace or in other area of life. So, for example, if we take a example of sport car, so it's a sport car. It's like a sport car. It's like a talent, knowledge, and the IQ, the intelligence we have, and it's really good having a good sport car, and we can compare to this to a talent or the IQ level. But what ethics work in a sport car? It's like it's a driving skill. So if you have a talent, if you have a good IQ and a good personality, good face or color, whatever, but if you have no driving skill, that means if you have not ethics, then you will not lead a good race. Then maybe you will fail in between your race, or in between your journey. You will not able to finish, and if you finish, then you will not go longer, you will not achieve more things, because ethics really matter. It's a really a moral duties, or you can say principles, through that we live our life. And one more thing I want to add, that I heard this line from a business coach who really give guidance and coach in the corporate sector. So he said, the self-control and ethics, the self-control and ethics develop in one area of life will stand you in good state in other area of life. That means if you develop such ethics and principle in one area, in one particular area,
Yeah,
that means though not that that thing will not work in another area, that is definitely will work in another area or in another field, whatever you want to do. For example, you have a self control, so you can apply such thing in another area. For example, you have a honesty, you have a nature of honesty, you have a good virtue of honesty, you are honest. That means not that you are only honest in your home, you are only honest with your family member. Definitely you will be honest with your friends, your colleague, or with your boss, or whatever project your company provide you. So
yeah.
that is, I think, really ethics.
Yeah, sure. I
Yeah.
totally agree with you, and a great point at the last you have made. Definitely, if we have learned how to, if we have learned discipline, ethics, work ethic, everything, you can use it in any field of your life or any field
Yeah.
of work that you are doing, no matter with your
Yeah.
friends, family, or with your job. So yeah, that's a great point. Okay, Sunil, thank you.